Do you know how to block payment apps if you lose your phone? If no, stick to this video till the end, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe it, cause we upload various tech updates. Let's begin. Apps like gpay, phonepe, and PAYTM have become necessary for all of us. But if someone has access to your phone, they would use it to transfer money. So what happens if the device that carries all your payment apps gets stolen? Don't worry. There are steps you can take to block these services temporarily from being accessed. Which apps do you use for payments? Comment below. How to block the PAYTM account temporarily? Here are the steps. Firstly, call the PAYTM Payments Bank helpline number. Choose the option for entering a different number, and also enter your lost phone number. Log out from all devices. Next, head to the PAYTM website and select 24/7 help. Message them about your issue. Submit the proofs of your account like credit or debit card and other necessaries. Here are the steps to block your Google Pay account. Firstly, you can call the helpline number. Select the option to talk to a specialist, who should help you block your Google Pay account. Android users must remote wipe their data, whereas, even iOS users can also erase their data remotely. By following these steps, you can block your account temporarily. Next, we will look at how to block your PhonePe account. Initially, you need to call the helpline number as before. Next, report a problem with your PhonePe number. Enter the registered number. Select the option for not having received OTP. Report loss of SIM or device. And you will be connected with a representative, who should help to block your PhonePe account. Was this helpful? If yes, do comment below. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. And click on the bell icon for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.